Artificial intelligence is no longer just powering tools, it's now replicating people. From realistic avatars to cloned voices, the technology to create a virtual version of yourself is already here. But most people have no idea how it really works or what it actually costs. Today, we're going to learn how to create an artificial intelligence avatar that looks like you and sounds like you. But before we begin, let me clarify a few important points. Many so-called gurus on Instagram and TikTok will try to sell you their courses by claiming that working with AI is practically free, effortless, and that everything happens like magic. I've got news for you. They're lying. AI definitely saves time and money, and it can deliver impressive results, but it's not free, nor is it 100% automatic. In the world we live in, everything has a price. If you're here, it's probably because you want to learn this skill to make more money, whether by selling your creations directly or by improving your skills to become more valuable at work. The companies behind these tools are no different. Their goal is also to generate profit and grow in the market. Here's how the system works. First, they build a language model trained on millions of texts, both public and private. That's how GPT was born. Then, the company behind GPT develops a communication service, an API, that allows other businesses to use the technology and build new tools on top of it. These companies pay to access the language model, and then they charge us to use the tools they've built with it. Finally, we charge our own clients for the creations we produce using those tools. That's the economic cycle of artificial intelligence. I'm telling you this up front because I want to be transparent. If you're not willing to invest even a single dollar in tools that can potentially multiply your income by a lot, then close this video and go back to your previous life. But if you're willing to invest the same, or even less, than what you once spent on notebooks, university textbooks, or commuting to work, then stick with me, because in the next few minutes, I'll show you the exact steps to create a version of yourself that can speak, move, and even earn while you focus on scaling your vision.